Close your eyes. So, what happened today with Louisville?
Louisville beat Duke by a lot
Yeah?
to go to the Final Four.
When's your birthday?
April 4th,
When is that?
Thursday.
Today is Sunday.
Yep.
What would you like on your birthday?
I don't know. I honestly can't think of much. I don't know why. This
Yeah.
is one of those years where you just can't think of any material things like.
Do me a favor. Open your eyes. Look at the laptop. Look at the yellow bar. What's it say?
Your tickets?
What's below it?
Yes!
Happy birthday.
Come here. We're going to the Final Four. I love you. I love you so much.